the president address in totality is concerned, she spoke about Amrit Kal, that Prime Minister's vision of Amrit Kal 2047. Now, I will speak of my own state of Goa. I want to ask the Pradhan Mantri, what have you planned for my state of Goa? Is this Amrit Kal where large tracts of land are being converted? Forests are being converted? Agricultural land is being converted? Low-lying areas are being filled? You are destroying the greenery. You are destroying the environment. You have handed over the rivers to the center. That means you have taken away our 6 rivers. Is this what you are planning in Amrit Kal for Goa? There is massive unemployment in Goa. What have you planned? What are you doing about the cash for job scam that is unraveling in Goa? Hard-working youth, where will they go? Undeserving youth who are paying a bribe will get a job. Is this your policy on Amrit Kal for Goa? Parents who are struggling, they have taken loans, they have sacrificed, they have given education to their children. What have you in store for them? Is that Amrit Kal what you have planned? Of stealing away the opportunities of the children?